Hey everyone, my long-term video review of my Mifa Wildbox have been put in the back burner for at least a couple of months now due to technical reasons that you guys have probably already seen in previous videos posted before this one. In order for me to make my video reviews a bit shorter so they don't take too long, I decided that what I'm going to do from now on is to start posting the videos of the company behind the products that I review in a separate video. So in this video, we will just be talking about Mifa, the company behind the Mifa Wildbox, how it got started and things of that nature. And then in the future video, we will be doing the long-term actual review of the Mifa Wildbox. So let's get started. About Mifa Audio. So if you guys don't know, and depending on where you look, Mifa Audio has been around anywhere from, let's say, 2008 to 2014, depending on which website you look at. If you do a Google search on Mifa, just Mifa, first search item that'll pop up is Mifa. And you don't want to click that, because if you do, it'll take you to mifa.org. And that's basically a website to prevent homelessness and to stabilize families and things of that nature. So if you do a Google search, you want to search for Mifa Audio. And when you do that, first thing that'll pop up is Mifa's website, which is mifa.net. And if you also look on the Google search, you can see that Mifa is sold pretty much almost everywhere, or every big shopping site that you could think of. It's sold on Amazon.com. Their speakers are also sold on eBay. They're sold through Walmart. They're sold through Newegg, being that they are a Chinese company. They're also sold at AliExpress, and among others, like Flipkart and probably Best Buy, it looks like from the search over here. If you click on mifa.net for their website, you can see that at the top of the page they show their featured products, like their outdoor camping speaker, the Mifa Wildbox, among others. Their website is the place where you can find more information about their speakers. And what else do they sell? You can see they sell speakers and earbuds, and they have a mall where they also sell their products. But I noticed that when you click on their buy now, it'll take you to the Amazon link. They also have a dedicated page on a lot of their products, speakers and earbuds, that they have videos to their products also. So they have more information videos on their products and maybe on how to use them. But what I wanted to know is like the origin of Mifa and how they got started. And if you go on to About Us, it says the origin of the brand. Mi and Fa are the third and fourth scales of the 7 vocal scales of like Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. If you don't know the vocal scales. So Mi and Fa are from Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Mifa. And that's what it says on origin of the brand, on how they got the name. But I wanted to know is how they got started. So you scroll down more, it tells you their brand concept, and you can pause that video and read it for yourself. It says Spirit of the Geek, Challenge the Limit, Ultimate Pursuit. Scroll down even more, brand spirit, and it says the sound of soul is the sound concept of Mifa. So pause that and read it for yourself. Brand introduction. Mifa is a global registered international music popular brand. You can pause that and read it for yourself. Brand vision. Be a leader in smart audio. Focus on intelligent audio field. Dare to innovate. But it doesn't say how they got started or when they got started, like what year. They don't have a timeline or anything like that, like some of the other companies I've looked up. For example, Tribit's 1000 Shores parent company has a timeline, along with some others. If you scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says brand strength, it says Mifa Innovation Research and Development Center is composed of nearly 100 industry experts in industrial design, electronic structure, acoustic engineering, software design, sound debugging, and other systems. At present, it has won more than 100 industrial design awards, technology, intention, patent, software registration, and copyright, utility model patent, apparent design, but nothing on where it got started. It says on the second paragraph, made in China. Brand production base is located in the city of the world's innovation in Shenzhen, China, using Japan's Toyota's lean production management model. And then they tell you about all their certifications, but nothing on how they got started. So after digging a little bit more and doing some more searches, on the About Us page, you could see where it says follow us. They have a Twitter page and their Facebook page. They also have a YouTube page, but on their YouTube page, it doesn't really talk about how they got started. On their YouTube page, it's just videos about their products, the Mifa Wildbox and others, right? And on their YouTube page, it actually doesn't even say Mifa. It has Jenny Yin on for their YouTube page. So getting back to Facebook, if you go to their Facebook page, and it has posts about their products and their speakers. If you go to About, all it'll show you is category electronics, their contact info, email, and their website. Privacy and legal info, it tells you Mifa focuses on developing and manufacturing wireless audio products. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. Page transparency, the page was created February 25th, 2014. And then details about Mifa, it just tells you again their like philosophy and things like that. So it still doesn't tell you their history and how they got started. So after doing a little bit more digging and a little bit more searching, I found out Mifa also has a LinkedIn page, which they don't put in their website on Contact Us. But under their Mifa Innovations LLC LinkedIn page, you can see that at the very top, it has visit their website and following, and there's 6 employees of Mifa on LinkedIn. They have 112 followers. On About, it'll tell you the overview, and it says the conception of Mifa outdoor speaker comes from California, USA, the hot sunshine. So you can pause that, read it for yourself. But under website, where you already see their website, it says mifalife.net. Industry, consumer electronics, company size 501 to 1,000 employees, 6 on LinkedIn. On here, it says founded in 2008. Specialties, mini speaker, Bluetooth speaker, portable speaker, and personal audio. So were they founded in 2008 or 2014? When I was doing a search on Mifa Audio, they also had something about that their parent company was Xiaomi. And go to People Also Ask, and on the very first top of where People Also Ask, it says, is Mifa part of Xiaomi? And if you hit that, it'll say Mifa is a portable speaker from Xiaomi. And when I looked at that, it kind of makes sense, right? Xiaomi's website is me.net. First word or first syllable in Mifa is me, from Xiaomi. And Xiaomi, if you guys don't know, they're pretty much the second largest manufacturer of smartphones next to Samsung. I didn't say they were the second next to Samsung in sales. That's probably Apple. But they're the second largest manufacturer of smartphones. Xiaomi sub-brands are Redmi, also on phones, and Poco. And then Mijia, I don't know what that was, but it's not anything anymore. Xiaomi also makes other devices other than smartphones. They make laptops, electrical scooters. They make smartwatches and smart bands, mechanical watches, and smart home products, and their drones. They also make drones, the Mi drone. It's almost believable that Xiaomi could make them, but it's never confirmed. And remember, on Mifa's LinkedIn page, it says they started in 2008, and Xiaomi wasn't founded until April 6th of 2010. So we're not going to go over Xiaomi. We're just going to focus on Mifa. So Mifa, let's just say based off of their LinkedIn page, they did start in 2008, and then they didn't get their Facebook page up and running until 2014. On their website, if you ever hit their links to their buy now, it'll take you to their Amazon page called Mifa Innovations LLC. And the first thing that pops up on their Amazon page is their Mifa Wildbox. So I'm guessing the Mifa Wildbox is their flagship product, probably their most expensive product on that page. Like when you go to Bluetooth speakers, it'll show you the Mifa. Their outdoor speaker, like that looks like a lantern, is $149, but I'm thinking that is not their flagship product. They also have a karaoke speaker or party speaker, but from all my searches, the Wildbox was the one that has most of all the latest technological features on any of their products, along with their outdoor camping lantern speaker. Like I said, we're here to talk about the Wildbox, so let's focus on that. So based on all my searching and looking things up, let's just say Mifa started in 2008. They do have a website and they have ways to contact them via Twitter, Facebook, email, and their own contact us page on their website. And they also have a LinkedIn page. So I'm pretty confident if I should have any issues with my Mifa Wildbox in the future, I would be able to get a hold of Mifa. And if you happen to have any issues with your Mifa Wildbox within the first like 30 days, you probably just contact Amazon if you buy it through Amazon, which is what I would do. And also based on Amazon and others, they usually have a very high rating, at least 4.4 out of 5 stars for most of their products, along with the Wildbox. So I can confidently say that a lot of their products are pretty highly recommended and they've gotten very favorable reviews, and they have good price to performance features, maybe except for the Wildbox. So that was our look at Mifa, the company behind the Mifa Wildbox, among other Bluetooth speakers and earbuds. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be my long-term review of the Mifa Wildbox. If you guys have found this video informative and helpful, please like and subscribe. If you guys haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.